Hi! In front of me is REALME C33 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Realme. You need to begin by opening settings. In them, scroll down and choose security. Then tap on screen lock and select one of those login methods by tapping on the best one. Swipe pattern, pin or password. In my case, pattern. Over here you need to enter your login method, choose next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. Then hit confirm. Now tap on one of those options to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and click on Done. Now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!